Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a better AI than ChatGPT free version that can help you to save money and save time, get a better result and real-time result. Well, you just need to come for Perplexity AI. As you can see, simply search here perplexity.ai. It will redirect you to the Perplexity, and here you don't need any login record. You just simply search your needs and get results. It's better than ChatGPT free version. If I just show you a demo, if I search here summarize artificial intelligence in simple terms and then simply click enter, you will get results and also get links and also related keywords that can help you to understand your needs. So if next time ChatGPT looks busy and if you want to save your time and get better result, then simply use Perplexity and thanks me later. So if you want to get this kind of solutions for AI, then simply subscribe this channel and like this video and comment below what's your next problem that can help you freely by using AI. Goodbye for today. See you in the next video.